Hi everyone, we're back in the kitchen again tonight and we're going to try a new one we've not done before, another JD Seasonings one. We're using a Louisiana Creole JD Seasonings pot and we're going to have a go at making a gumbo. So we'll start off, we'll show you the ingredients and then we'll chop it all up and Tina will take you through cooking it. Okay, so ingredients wise, we've got some raw prawns, we've got a couple of chicken breasts, 6 low-fat sausages, a couple of sticks of celery, a white onion, vegetable stock pot, some fresh garlic, the obligatory JD's Louisiana Creole mix, a red pepper, some Worcester sauce, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, some low-calorie frying spray, fry light stuff, and 300 grams of mushrooms there. So they're your ingredients. We're going to prepare those and then we'll be back shortly.
Okay. Now you want me to split that.
Okay, so that's everything all chopped up, prepared, ready to go. So it's over to Tina to do the cooking.
Right, first of all, I'm going to lighten the pan and put some spray light in it.
You'd already put a bit in there, hadn't you?
I had. Leave it for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to add my celery and onion. Make sure I get every bit. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Browning off nicely, getting ready to add my peppers and mushrooms. And it smells amazing already. It's just onions and celery.
It's always that thing about fried onions, it smells good, isn't it?
It certainly is.
You can make people hungry just by frying onions.
It's certainly making me hungry. I've got a long way to go yet. Now I'm going to add my red pepper and mushrooms and fry this for another 3 to 4 minutes. Right, now I'm going to add my chicken and brown that off. Take me a few minutes. Right, I'm going to add some garlic now. More flavour and cook it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. And the vegetable stock. Make sure we get it all in for the flavours. And the pot of JD Seasonings. Give it a good stir, mix it well.
Oh, I'll tell you what guys, if you could smell this, it's amazing.
Now I'm going to have the Blitz tomatoes. And the cooked sausages, which I prepared earlier because you have to cook the sausages and let them go cool. So they were cooked in the oven at 180 for 20 minutes. Mix that all well. Give it a good old stir. And I'm going to simmer that for 30 minutes with the lid on. Right, that's been now cooking for 30 minutes. I'm going to remove the lid and I'm going to add the prawns. This now cooks up for a further 15 minutes and then it'll be ready. It's looking absolutely delicious. That's it cooked up. I'm just getting ready to serve it up and we're going to have it with some boiled rice. We're just going to drain the rice and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's dished up. Right, that's it all dished up. Now we're going to go away and eat it. It looks very nice.
It does indeed.
Till next time, it's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from me. Bye.